The manual stock take procedure is made up of 3 steps. Step 1, printing a stock list. Step 2, adjusting stock levels. And 3, printing a stock report. To print the stock list, go to Inventory, List Items. You can choose one supplier, or you can choose all, depending on how you want to go about doing it. Click OK, and we'll come up on the actual list with every item for that specific supplier, or each supplier will be on multiple pages. The columns indicated, one is your actual stock level, which is what the computer has recorded at what the stock level should be. And the column on the right hand side is a blank column for you to be able to go around your shelf and actually count the items and insert them into this particular column. Once you've done that, counted all the items, we then need to update the inventory with those levels. So you go to Inventory, you go to Set Products. In Set Products, you choose your supplier, you go OK, and it'll come up on this grid showing every item. Now the items listed here will be in the same order as the items listed on the list items on your report that you just printed. There's a column on the right hand side called Stock. This is a column that we need to update to the actual values that you've counted. So you go down and you'll change, or if it's the same, you just press enter and change the values that it needs to be according to what you've counted. Go all the way down. Once you've completed, click on Save, and then you can click on Close. Now the final step is to print a stock report summarizing the actual stock per supplier with the total amounts. So you go to Inventory, go to List Items. Very important here to make sure you click on the report format called Stock Total List. And then to have a summary as well, make sure you click on Supplier. Click on All Suppliers, so you're having all the suppliers listed on one report. You click OK. And what it will display is every supplier listed out with columns indicating that's your actual unit cost price, unit sell price, the actual stock that you have on hand of in that supplier per total, your stock cost. This stock cost is the actual cost price times your stock, giving you actual stock cost. So that's the actual value of your stock at cost. And this is your stock sales. This is the value at the sales price. And also it's giving you an overall GP percentage and a GP dollar. This now you'd use as your final stock take report for accounting purposes, etc. Please remember to do this report right at the point in time, because if you do it the next day, it will be the next day's stock total list.